So talagang, yun nga, no, gusto mo ng pagbabago, umaalis ka sa sitwasyon, kung ano man yun. So maybe, isa dito, no, for some of you, relationship, no? So marriage, no? So may involved na marriage, no? May marriage involved, and then divine feminine, no? So you have this divine feminine, kung sino man sa inyo, kung babae ka man or lalaki, no? So wala naman tayong gender, but then may divine feminine dito, no? And then you have this non-committal, no? Non-committal, and then ghosted, disappearing. No, so for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko rito, mga earth signs natin, no, regardless your uh, situation, no, current situation. For some of you, no, ang nakikita ko rito ay nagkaroon ng separation, no, within a marriage, no, for some of you, no. And then with the divine feminine here, no, ang mas nakikita ko dyan, no, for some of you earth signs is kayo ito na sabihin natin na kasi may ghosting dito and independent. So, for some of you, independent ka, no? So, meaning, pwede rin, kung may mga anak kayo ng tao na to, no? Sa'yo lahat, no? Ikaw yung parang, yung responsibilidad ay nasa iyo, no? With the divine feminine here, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. So, for some of you, ginost ka ng person mo, no? Ng husband or wife mo, no? Mga, mga earth signs natin, no? So, yeah, and maybe with the freedom here, nakikita ko rin, no? For some of you ay, you want to have this totally freedom from the marriage, no? Freedom from the commitment, no? Because of the non-committal here, no? Gusto mo maging independent na talaga for some of you. And for some of you, natapos na to. And for some of you, still in this situation, no? Yes, current situation naman yung nire-read natin, no? So, yan, no? Ang iniisip nyo ay gusto nyo nang makawala, no, totally sa tao na yan, no? Kung may marriage involved, gusto nyo ma-annulled na, no, totally separation legally, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito because you had this person na very non-committal, no? Hindi lang naman pag sinabi natin kasi non-committal, paano po yun, kasal na kami. Ang non-committal, maraming aspects yan. Pwedeng nangangako siya, hindi naman niya ginagawa, 'di ba? Puro salita, kulang sa gawa, 'di ba? Something like that, no? Non-committal also is within the children, no? Hindi niya ginagawa yung dapat gawin niya, or